Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. So today we are going to see an exciting video on how to create a calculated fields in pivot table. And before going to that video, we have created a other video which is helping to know how to create a pivot table. I have given the link in description and in the iCard as well. And if you are watching our video first time, please do subscribe and check our playlist on our channel and share to your friends to the needed persons. So don't waste time. Just jump into the video. Come on, let's start it. So calculated fields in pivot table. What is the use? First of all, we just need to know. Calculated fields are used to, you know, uh, the name itself is explaining. It's a calculated field, which means like the field or the column, which is automatically created based on the formula, which is an additional column how we are creating based on the Excel in a normal Excel. In the same way, we are doing it in the pivot table. So let's go to Excel and see how we are doing it. You can see this is our created pivot table, and I'm just removing it for now. I'm just deleting this particular sheet. You create a fresh pivot sheet, pivot table. You can create it by clicking on it, insert and pivot table. Click on OK. You have to be cautious that you are creating it in a new worksheet. If you want to create in the same sheet, you can click on this existing worksheet, and here you need to select the range from where you need to create the worksheet. But I am preferring always to create in a new worksheet. So this pivot table is created. I'm naming it as pivot sheet. Now it's done. So what I'm doing is like I just want to know region wise sales, total sales, and based on the category. Okay, and even if you want, I can put the city as well. So in each cities, what is the sales over here? Now I need to know in an extra calculation what is the percentage, or like what is the multiplied value between the quantity and the unit price. So which you can check how will this total price is matching or not. For that, you just need to click on this pivot table analyze sheet. You can see something called fields, items and sets. Just click over here, click on calculator field. So you will get the pop-up over here. What I'm doing is like you can give the name for the particular field, or in other words we can say it as a column. So this column is created only on pivot table cache, and it will not be in the our raw data sheet. So now I'm creating it as um, sales price thrice, three times what will be our cost. Okay, so here instead of equal to, you can select the price. So now if my unit price, I can insert multiplied by 3, I can add it. You can see the product which you have created, the column which you have created is uploaded over here. It comes over here. Just click on it and click OK. So you can see sum of sales price into 3 thrice. It is already coming over here. This will be the multiplication of unit price into our single unit. So now I'm removing the total price. I'm adding the unit price over here. So you can see our actual unit price is 53.53. Now it is converted into 160.59. So even we can check it out. 53.53 into 3. So which is exactly matching the amount how much we are getting. So now you can see our unit price is increased into thrice. So now I'm super excited to know what will be the total price for me after increasing of this unit sales. In that case, I'm just creating another field, create a calculator field. So it says like total price after cost increase, after cost. Okay, we'll just keep it as simple like after cost. Now you can select this particular column, which is sales price into price, insert field. Yes, it is inserted into quantity is the amount of sales which you have done. Click on OK. So now you can see price after cost is there, and this is the sales after, means sales cost after this one. So what I'm doing is I am removing this unit price because I don't want this now. But if you go here, you can see the one which is, this is the column denotes the how much ever the price is increasing to thrice, and this is the cost of sales after that. So to confirm this one, what I'm doing is I'm dragging the total price in between these two. Okay, so if you see, avoid this confusion, I'm putting like this. So our total price is 21,524.36. So if you see, equal to 21,524.36 into 1029.21. Okay, it will be the quantity of how much quantity we have sold, right? So our sales price is 1029.21 is multiplied with the quantity 9656. Sorry, it's a typo error. It's 9656. You can see the exact value is matched over here. So ideally, this is how we can able to predict, or like, you can check how much will be the cost or my price increase, what will be my total sales will amount, and how much the profit will occur for me, right? Hope you have enjoyed this video and you have understood this video. If you have any questions, please do reach out to us. You can reach us to us, by giving the comments, or you can directly contact us through our email address, or still if you want to reach us through WhatsApp, yes, you can do it. The number is in description. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Jai Hind.